to show you how to prepare one of the most delicious things you will ever eat in your life. These are dobladas. They're filled with juicy shredded beef, cabbage, and tons of caramelized onion. Fry it in a tortilla until crispy golden brown, and after just one bite, you will want to eat these over and over again. You're gonna start off these dobladas by boiling about 2 pounds of beef in some water. Use a cut that shreds like a beef chuck or a tri-tip. Season this with some cumin, some salt, and a few cloves. This combo of spices is what gives these dobladas their unique taste. You're then gonna cover and cook this until you're able to shred it, and for a faster process, use a pressure cooker or prepare it the day before. Now once your beef is ready, I'm gonna fry up some onions in my large saute pan with a bit of oil, and once they're sauteed, I'm then gonna go ahead and add that beef to the pan. You wanna trim off any of the excess fat that may be left on it. Go ahead and shred all that beef, and I'm going to be seasoning this mixture with some salt, a little bit of pepper, and the secret ingredient, Worcestershire Sauce. This is a secret ingredient that gives these dobladas their irresistible taste. Now add the thyme and mix this all up. Allow the beef to fry up a few seconds to give it that nice and crispy flavor. And to finish this off, we're going to be adding a half a head of a shredded cabbage and a bit of chopped cilantro. Mix this together as best as you can. The cabbage will cook down very quickly, and within this short period of time, your incredible filling is ready. Don't forget that you could always do this with shredded chicken or even shredded pork. Now let's assemble these tacos. Add a bunch of tortillas to a plate, and you want to warm these up either in the microwave or on the stove top. Once they're nice and steamy and don't break when you fold them, go ahead and add the filling to the tortilla. You want to then doblarlos, fold them over into tacos or taquitos, and place them all on a plate to have them ready because we're going to be frying these up, which will be a very fast process. Heat up the saucepan on a medium-high heat. Add a thin layer of oil to the pan. These dobladas aren't going to be deep fried, so just add the oil as you go. Once the oil is nice and hot, place them into the pan and allow them to pan fry at least 1 minute per side until they're nicely golden brown. Another way that you could do this is by laying them flat on a well-greased baking sheet and popping them into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the top slightly with oil and flip them over after 15 minutes on each side. However you decide to make these, both methods are so delicious. And don't forget about the salsa. Simply just boil 2 tomatoes with a half an onion in a bit of water for 5 minutes. Once the tomatoes are soft, remove them from the water and season this with a teaspoon of salt. Blend this up into a liquid and simmer it a few minutes with a tad bit of oil. And once it's vibrant red in color, it's time to grub. All the different textures and flavors will bring such joy to your dinner table. There is no other taco as delicious as these dobladas. Try them up and it'll be love at first bite.